Hi everyone, Linda Reed-Enever, and I would like to take the opportunity to invite you to come along and join the Marketing Circle. I'm an ideas and marketing strategist, and I have over 21 years experience working with small and large businesses, helping them market what they do. I am the founder of Business, the Course Creators Circle, and I am the co-founder here at Reed-Enever Group, and I lead our impact team. The Marketing Circle is my inner circle. It is the library of my courses that I have on the Reed-Enever Group Business Academy. It is access to me at a group level where we get to talk all things marketing, and you can ask me your marketing questions. We do get together and we meet twice a month. We actually meet twice a month. We meet for a Q&A session where you can bring your marketing questions and ask me, and there's no question allowed. We're just going to ask and I'll give you my answer and my opinion and help you market your business that way. There is also then our how-to sessions, which we run on a regular basis, and they're one monthly again. And those how-to sessions allow you to dive into a particular marketing area or a particular topic with me on a group level. We have an amazing community of small business owners in the Marketing Circle, and this was your opportunity to come and join them. I would love nothing more than to see you as a Marketing Circle member, growing your business, picking my brain, having my ideas in your head, and my experience helping you market your business. And that's what the Marketing Circle is all about. And as I said, it's not just the how-to sessions. You get access to the course library that I have offered for our Marketing Circle members, including my Course Creators Circle. So if you've been looking at being able to create courses, it's a great spot as well. And that Course Creators Circle group also meets on a monthly basis. So technically, as a Marketing Circle member, you're going to be with me 3 times a month. You've got that opportunity to do that. Now, the Marketing Circle is open to all businesses, and I even have marketers in there coming along, learning different marketing tips and tricks from me along the way. So if you want to check out the courses and the upcoming sessions that we have for the Marketing Circle, then head to my website and visit the Marketing Circle, or click on the link and you'll be able to see what's available and what you will get as a Marketing Circle member when you come and engage with us and you come and get to network, share, and learn about marketing with business owners just like you.